come thrift shop with me for fall decor. If you've never been thrift shopping, but you love to save money, you need to start thrift shopping. Here I am at one of my favorite thrift stores in town, and the thing about thrifting is you never know what you're going to find. This particular store always has good stuff. Here we have a little ceramic pumpkin for $4, and I am never disappointed when I come in here. And they had a really nice display of their fall decor, which is always appreciated because you don't need to go throughout the whole store looking for fall decor. They've put it in about one or two spots here so that I can just shop to my heart's delight and see what they have. I sometimes find that Target donates some of their overstock to this store. So as you can see, there are some plastic pumpkins and several of them. And that's always a treat. But there are also things like this. You know, this is a little broken apple, but here I have some faux pomegranates. I almost bought these thinking of Christmas. And then you have this wreath that could be turned into a fall decor DIY with a few other items, fallish items to add to it. I love these paper mache pumpkins. They're just in perfect condition. These could be painted, or you could just display them as is. I like that neutral color. And then here they gathered a whole bunch more fall decor so I could peruse through this. I love this little guy, and I actually really like this orange color. The thing about thrifting is you find quality that you wouldn't find at maybe the dollar store or Walmart because maybe they bought that at Pottery Barn and then donated it 3 years later because they were tired of it. I've done that. And down here you can see we've got a lot more going on here, and I think again they were donated some overstock by some stores, and then you get to snatch them up at great prices. $2 for these little pumpkins? Yes, please. I don't even think I'll paint those. I love that neutral gold and bronzy color they have going on here. So now we're at another thrift store. This one, well, I don't know. They're all my favorite thrift stores. I think this probably is my all-time favorite thrift store. And it's called Legacy Thrift. It's huge, and it's all volunteer run. Now, they didn't have a lot of fall decor out. They don't have the people power to really put together a great display like the other store. But you just walk around and you see what they've got. These were cute. These dahlias in little baskets. I mean, that's a great price. And you wouldn't have to do anything to them, just pop them in your home and style them. I liked those first sunflowers, but then I found these and love those. And the price, $2. Again, yes, please. They had a sweet little wreath here, and I'm always looking for and a good price on that for $5. I'm always looking here in this little corner for art, and I was hoping to find some fallish looking art. Didn't see any, but then turned around and almost like right in front of me, I found this cornucopia. And I'm already thinking about Thanksgiving, and I probably would paint the wicker cornucopia, but I love how they have this little gathering of flowers to put in there, or fruit rather. So wood is something that I really like to use when decorating for fall. And so I went over to this section because they often have wood here. Today, they didn't have a lot. You have to go through all of the stuff quickly so you don't get fatigued looking for exactly what you need. Now I'm looking for fall decor, and some potpourri is definitely fall. I loved this. It was a big bag of fall decor, but it was a little too pricey, so I passed on that. And afterwards, I found some more fall stuff. It wasn't really my taste, but you have to keep looking. This I equate with fall. A huge mug for kind of Oktoberfest. It was only $6. It did have a little chip, but that would be a great vase. Onward and upward, I found another wreath. Interesting looking. It was a smaller wreath. I love the cranberries, but a little busy. this was interesting too. Often I'll buy something like this and take off what I want and use it someplace else. You have to use your imagination when thrifting and think, how could I repurpose this? More potpourri for only $2. And last, I always hit the baskets. They've got great baskets, and it's a wonderful way to save money when you thrift. And sure enough, I love this shape. Loved this, and it was $3. Okay, now we are at Salvation Army. They often have low inventory here. Another big store, but I know where to head here at this. I thought this was a good sign. So we headed over. I got distracted though because as they were putting things away, I noticed this beautiful blue vase. But okay, I'm here for fall decor. Nothing else. I have to be disciplined. Oh, but look at those. Nope, keep going. So I did find a little bit of fall. I peruse it. I think to myself, how could I reuse it? But just kept looking, hoping for more, and sure enough, I found some. So here I think to myself, yes, you might look at this and think, oh, this is junk, but think about how you could repurpose it and use it with other fall decor you have in your home. That's the way you end up spending pennies on the dollar compared to what they're charging in the store. Fall decor doesn't only have to be orange. You can look for the burnt reds and yellows. Oh, these were great. Now there were 2 bags, same price, just a couple bucks. And I thought, yeah, let me take that. Let me see what's in this bag, and I bet I'll be able to use it when I get home. More fall stems, but I wasn't really feeling any of those. And if you go back to my Dollar Tree video, they have so many good Dollar Tree stems, fall stems. Look at this cute little lady. This is definitely the cutest scarecrow I've ever seen, I think. Kept looking and found this little brass leaf. This is the kind of high quality, classic fall decor I like to use, and you can use it really all year long. Not sure what's up with that guy, but you need to go through all the junk in order to find your treasure. In my next video, I'll be showing you all the thrifted fall decor I bought, how much I paid for it, as well as how I decorated our home with these thrifted fall goodies. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this thrift trip and shopping for fall decor with me. If you like this video and you want to see more thrift shopping, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects and decor on a budget. If you are a subscriber and hit that notification bell, you'll be one of the first to watch a new video.